This Memorial Day weekend, join us at the ICR Discovery Center for The Cost of Conviction, a special event that commemorates the brave men and women who answered the call, stood tall in the face of danger, and paid the ultimate sacrifice. Stand in unity as we pay tribute to our fallen heroes through a heartfelt ceremony and learn from enriching presentations. Bruce Malone of Search for the Truth Ministries will educate listeners on how to defend the truth of biblical creation, while Dr. Thomas of ICR will explore how we can view Memorial Day in light of the gospel. Experience family-friendly activities like a petting zoo, food trucks, and games, and enjoy discounted access to the ICR Discovery Center. Let's come together this Memorial Day to honor the fallen, connect with community, and create memories that will last a lifetime. For more information, visit icrdiscoverycenter.org.